Where's Abigail? Oh, there she is. Where'd Abby go? Where's Abby? Where is she? Oh, there she is. Uh-oh, now we've lost Jakey. Oh! Oh! Uh-oh! You got a fish piece in your mouth, little girl. Uh-oh. Hi, monkey. Where's Abby? Where is she? I don't see her. There she is. Oh, who's that? Oh, Flamin' Scorch. Have you got Flamin' Scorch now? Oh, good girl, put them back. Boom. Careful. What are you doing, honey? Abs, what are you doing? Oh, who is that? Is that Scorch? Is that Santa? Yeah. Who's that dude?